For starting urban garden, ang may advice lang natin siguro is plant. For technical assistance naman po, you can approach our office. We also have our LGU counterparts po, our city agriculture office po. So you can always approach us and them naman po for technical assistance. And may add ko lang siguro is love what you do. Yan lang po siguro. And yan nga po yung nasabi ko kanina na mas maganda na in urban gardening po, we should see it as an enterprise para hindi lang po for self or home consumption, pero i-aim din po natin na at least maging source din po yun ng income kasi yun, malaki din naman yung potential ng farming po.